Hello, pansin mo ba? Parang ang dami-daming nangyayari sa mundo ngayon. Sobrang daming kalamidad, maraming mga kung ano-anong nangyayari sa iba't ibang bansa. And pansin mo ba na people right now, especially yung mga claiming to be gifted or something, they are really doing na mga forecasting or prediction na it's not really in alignment na ikaka happy mo or excited mo to move on in your life. Why? Kasi this part is a distraction. Ito yung mga part na pag hindi ka marunong mag-filter ng mga naririnig mo, napapanood mo, or nakikita mo sa environment mo, totally, mahihirapan kang mag-adjust sa bagong taon or this new year. Now, my advice for you is when you feel something off to the balita, the news, the people, or the person, or even sa mga pinapanood nyo, you take a nice deep breath in, mag-pause ka, and ask yourself, what am I getting from this news, from this announcement, from this prediction? Is this really helping me? Or is this really making me feel good? Yung katawan mo mararamdaman yan. So once you feel something is off, something is not really serving you well, just release it. I-release mo and then just tell to yourself na everything works well for me. Everything is all well and everything is always in favor of me. Kasi it will help you raise your vibration and frequency because our body, every cell of our body vibrates. But it depends on the frequency kung ano yung nare-receive natin, kung ano yung nararamdaman natin, at kung ano yung na-absorb natin. So for you to be able to raise your frequency to match that vibration, kailangan you have to be aware kung eto bang nabasa mo, napakinggan mo, nabalitaan mo, really works well for you. Does it feel good? When it's not really feeling good, immediately you get away from that situation because the vibrations and the frequency of your body is not matching. Or sometimes, masyadong mababa yung frequency na yung katawan mo nagbabibrate, na pag bumaba siya, it will feel like depressing, hindi ka masaya. Pero once you feel good, your frequency goes up and your vibration will follow kung ilang beats yan, vibration mo yung flow na yan. So, I hope I gave you a learning today. Have a great day, everyone!